Mercedes B-Class fuel filler neck repair. As you can see, the original filler neck is still there, down to this point where I cut it, and put one silicone hose and one rubber fuel hose, both of them suitable for fuel. One of them 19mm, the other one 40mm internal diameter. And you can see down here I've had to get a bend. I used an exhaust pipe, 38mm with a 60° bend. And you can see just go straight into the tank. I removed the original hoses and just connected up the new hoses I'd got. Total cost was £80 as opposed to £180 for the original part.